Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today we are looking at one Olympiad problem. The question is given: find all real solutions of x comma y comma z w t to the equation 12xyz w t minus x power 6 minus y power 6 minus z power 6 minus w power 6 minus t power 6 equal to 64. So some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, how to solve this problem? So here you cannot solve this problem directly, Amma. You are using here AM and GM. So given the changing our equation x power 6 plus y power 6 plus z power 6 plus w power 6 plus t power 6 plus 64 is equal to 12xyz wt. Let it be 1. So here you can find the value also by using am and gm. am and gm. So here x power 6 plus y power 6 plus z power 6 w power 6 plus t power 6 plus 2 power 6 by total quantities we are having 6 is greater than or equal to x power 6 y power 6 z power 6 w power 6 t power 6 and 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 6. So by using AM and GM, we are going to write like this. So from this 1 and 2, you can write x power 6, y power 6, plus z power 6, plus w power 6, plus t power 6, plus 2 power 6 is greater than or equal to 12 x, y, z, w, t. So here we'll get 2. 2 into 6 will get 12. 12 x, y, z, w, t. But equation 1 suggests that equality exists into it is possible if x power 6 is equal to y power 6 equal to z power 6 equal to w power 6 is equal to t power 6 equal to 2 power 6. But x, y, z, w, t is greater than 0. So here you can say that x, y, z, w, t are either all are positive, either all are positive or any three of them are positive, any three of them are positive, or one is positive and rest four are negative. So hence x comma y comma z comma w comma t can take values 2 or minus 2 and satisfy the constraints in 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.